Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your Doogee S86 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and here start searching for an app. Write RAR and hit the search button. Select this app and click install. And after installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. It will ask us for the permission to use to have access to all your photos, media, and etc. So allow it, then dismiss, and our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.